Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Tejas MkII IAF order book to cross 200. Second engine under consideration. IAF has set its sight on acquiring 108 Tejas MkII fighter jets, which will be equipped with the powerful American F414 engine generating 98 kN of thrust. The initial projection is just the beginning, as the order book is expected to expand further. The development of a second improved variant of the Tejas MkII. Next, Hanwha Group offers an upgraded K9 Vajra variant to India. Hanwha Group's defense division has presented its upgraded K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer, that is SPH, to the Indian Army, showcasing a host of new features and advancements. The South Korean company claims that the upgraded variant known as the K9A2 is a game changer in the field of artillery, providing novel opportunities for artillery deployment and enabling rapid shoot-and-shoot operations to enhance survivability and extend battlefield coverage. Next, TAPAS BH to commence user trials soon. DRDO has achieved a significant milestone with the completion of the 200th flight of TAPAS, that is Tactical Airborne Platform for Aerial Surveillance, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. The TAPAS UAV was recently demonstrated to a tri-service team at ATR Chitradurga on June 27, 2023, marking its debut before the esteemed group. The indigenous development efforts showcased in the UAV were highly appreciated by the tri-service team, reflecting the growing recognition of India's self-reliance in defense technology. Next, Chandrayaan 3 testing completed, will be launched in mid-July, says ISRO chief. ISRO's S. Somnath on Wednesday revealed that Chandrayaan 3 testing is complete and the window of opportunity for the launch is aimed between July 12th and 19th. Currently, the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft is fully integrated. We have completed the testing and also mated with the rocket compartment. Currently, the window of opportunity for launch is between July 12th and 19th, and we will take the earliest possible date. Maybe the 12th, maybe the 13th, or maybe the 14th. Next, Predator drones provide lot of capabilities. Forces keen that they are procured. Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar. Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar on Wednesday said that Predator drones provide a lot of capabilities to the armed forces and they are keen to acquire them. They fall in the category of HALE, that is high altitude long endurance drones. So we realize that these drones are needed for better surveillance and increased maritime domain awareness. Next, 3 Indian Rafales to take part in French parade with PM Modi as guest of honor. 3 Rafale fighter jets of the Indian Air Force will take part in the Bastille Day fly past over the Champs-Élysées in Paris on July 14. People familiar with the matter said on Wednesday. Next, in a first, India gifts active warship INS Kirpan to Vietnam. An active duty missile corvette of the Indian Navy is on its way to Vietnam as a gift, the first warship given by India to any country. The domestically built corvette INS Kirpan left India's east coast on Wednesday, the Navy said. India and Vietnam have strengthened their ties in recent years with a special focus on defense, as both countries are concerned over an increasingly assertive China. India has given smaller boats and military equipment to countries like the Maldives and Mauritius in the past and a submarine to Myanmar. Next. BluJ Aero raises $2.25 million in seed funding. BluJ Aero, a promising technology startup in the aviation sector, has successfully secured $2.25 million in seed funding. The funding round was led by prominent investors who recognized the company's potential to revolutionize the aviation industry with its innovative solutions. BluJ Aero is dedicated to developing advanced technologies and software solutions that address critical challenges faced by the aviation sector. The company's cutting-edge products aim to enhance safety, efficiency, and operational effectiveness for airlines, airports, and other aviation stakeholders. Thank you.